For today's easy recipe, we're making classic cheesecake topped with salted caramel. We're going to begin with the crust. In a large bowl, combine 2 cups of finely ground graham cracker crumbs, along with 1/3 of a cup of butter that is melted and cooled slightly. I personally like to use honey graham cracker crumbs for this recipe. Just adds a nice flavor to the crust, but regular graham cracker crumbs work as well. So we're just going to mix this until everything is well combined. Pour your crust mixture into your pan. I'm using a 10-inch pan with a 1 1/4 inch depth, and it has a removable bottom. This makes it super easy to take the cheesecake out. You could also just use a 10-inch springform pan. Use your hands to distribute the graham cracker crumb mixture evenly into your pan and gently pack it against the edges and the bottom. Using a measuring cup or a glass, you can pack this against the edges, and again, make sure that the bottom is nice and level and firm. Now for our filling, we're going to use 16 ounces of cream cheese. So this is 2 cups, and it's softened to room temperature. I'm going to cream it on low for about 2 minutes using my paddle attachment until it's nice and smooth and silky. Now we will add in 2/3 of a cup of granulated white sugar, and we're going to continue mixing this on medium-low for about a minute or so until it's nice and fluffy and incorporated. Now we'll begin adding our eggs one at a time, mixing well after each addition, and we're going to use 3 eggs in total. As always, all of these instructions and the full recipe can also be found down in the description box below, so make sure to check that out as well. Lastly, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix until it is just combined. Now we can pour our cheesecake mixture into our prepared graham cracker crust. It's important to give this a couple of gentle shakes, and you can also tap it against the counter to release any air bubbles. Just be gentle so you don't break the crust. This is going to bake in an oven preheated to 350 Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius for 30 minutes. Should be slightly jiggly in the center. Once it's come down to room temperature, you can drizzle it with salted caramel, which I'll include the recipe for here at the end. If you have enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate it so much if you would like or subscribe. And as always, thanks so much for watching.